Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Mr. Techfox. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to copy the full file path of any file or folder in Finder on your Mac. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So, first of all, open the Finder on your Mac and then select the file or folder that you want to copy as path. For example, I'm gonna choose this Shihab photo. And then normally click on the view option and then choose from here show path bar. Here you can see that it is showing hide path bar. That means I already have enabled it. So I'm gonna click on it to hide it first, and then I'm gonna click on this show path bar, and then you will see a path bar next to your Finder window. So now we are going to copy the path. Normally click on the path where the file name is mentioned, and then you have to select copy the file as path name, and that's it. Now if I paste the path, you will see the exact path of the file. That's all about today's video. Now you know how to copy a file path in MacBook's Finder. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.